we're going to find percents, and there's two ways to do that, the percent proportion and the percent equation. We're going to start off with the percent proportion. Now, some books use the part over the whole equals the percent over 100, and that's the way I'm going to kind of address this, since the big ideas do it that way. But I have also used more often is over of equals p over 100, so you can think of it both ways. If I was saying is over of, this is between 12 and 15, but this of is only with 15. So if I was trying to put these numbers in the correct places, the is part would be the 12 over the of part would be the 15. Now let's think about it as part and a whole. The part is the 12, the whole is the 15, and then the percent is what we're looking for over 100. Okay, now if I'm trying to get this p alone and it's being divided by 100, I can multiply both sides by 100. The 100s will cancel and p is left alone. So I have 100 times 12, which would be 1200. You just put 2 zeros onto that, divided by 15. And if your teacher lets you use a calculator, that would be 1200 divided by 15. However, you may have to do long division, and that would be the number 80. That is going to be 80%. Now on this one, instead of looking for a percent, we're looking for a number. What number is 0.5% of 200? So the number we're looking for is the A. The number is, this of course is the percent. We see the percent symbol of 200. So if I said is over of, the is part is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to just call that the A. The of part is 200. That is the part, that is the whole. And then I want to use the 0.5%, which was over 100. Okay, now if I want to get rid, to get this A alone, I need to get rid of 200. A divided by 200, the opposite would be to multiply by 200. And by the way, cross multiplying works here as well. So I'm left with A equals 0.5 times 200 divided by 100. So 0.5 times 200, of course, is 100. You see there? And then I have to divide it by 100, and I get 1. So there's 100 on top divided by 100, which is 1. So the part is 1. And then here is one where I'm looking for the whole part, 150%. Of course, that's the percent of what number is 30. So if I'm thinking about is over of, the 30 is the is. The of is what we're looking for, so we'll call that W for whole. The percent is 150% over 100. Okay, so on this one, I think I'm going to cross multiply this one to show you that that works as well. 30 times 100 is 3,000 equals 150W. Then divide by 150. So the W equals 3,000 divided by 150. And that is 20. So the whole is 20.